How to fix PayPal login suspicious activity error. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix PayPal logins suspicious activity error. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If PayPal is giving you a suspicious login activity error whenever you're trying to log in, first verify if the activity is legitimate and try logging in again. It is as simple as that. So basically this also happens when you're logging into third-party sites from PayPal. So it is better to be very careful and know more about that website before you try to give your PayPal information. Second of all, you also want to make sure that it's not the issue with your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, if you're using the PayPal application on Android, just long press the PayPal app from the home screen or the app screen, then tap on this I button, which will take you to the app info page. Go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and also clear its data. If you're using any sort of VPNs or proxy settings, make sure to disable those. If you're using a custom DNS, make sure to turn off that DNS and use the default DNS. Then after that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the PayPal app and check if the PayPal app has an update. If it does have an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.